Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove Face ID on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your iPhone, then you have to tap on settings, then search for Face ID and passcode and tap onto it. You scroll down and enter your passcode, then scroll down to stolen device. Wait, let me find the option. Here is the option, then tap onto it and turn it off. Complete Face ID verification. As you can see, mine is already stolen. Device protection is already off, so I am not getting the option. That's it. You will have that option and just turn it off, and then complete Face ID verification. If there's a security delay, wait 1 hour. Then the step 3 is you have to reset your Face ID. After the delay, go back to Face ID and passcode, tap reset Face ID to remove. As you can see, I didn't have set up my Face ID on iPhone, so I don't need to do it, but you have to do it. Okay, then the fourth option, which is basically optional, if you don't want a passcode, either tap turn off passcode like I am doing here, then turn it off. It may ask for your Apple account password, then just enter the password, then it will ask for your passcode, then enter your passcode and your passcode will be turned off. That's it. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.